Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the Apple Mac Studio. This particular Mac Studio that I purchased comes with the Apple M1 Max chip with 32 gigs of RAM and 2 TB of storage. Alright, so now let's get into the unboxing. So this is the external box that the Mac Studio comes in, and I'm going to pull out the Mac Studio box out. I'm just going to show you guys the outside of the Mac Studio box here. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and remove the seal. The box is fairly intuitive to unbox, and here there are two arrows indicating where I need to move these two sides. Alright, so now I can take the Mac Studio out. This is the power cable. I'm just gonna fold this. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. So this will have some additional documentation. So here are some details about the Mac Studio, the ports that it has in the back, and this is the same one in English. And here's some information regarding how to safely handle the Mac and some regulatory information. And here you have an Apple sticker. Alright, so now is to open up the packaging around this Mac Studio. Alright, so now that the cover is open, I can really see how it looks like for the first time. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the Mac Studio. Here you have a status indicator light, an SD card slot, and two Thunderbolt 4 USB ports. In the side you don't have anything. So in the back here you have a ventilated mesh, and here you have power button and headphones, HDMI, USB type A, power, Ethernet, and 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports. And here at the top you have a nice Apple logo. So here you have the Mac Studio labeling and some vents to draw in cool air. Next I'm gonna connect the power cable and HDMI cable. I have connected the keyboard and mouse as well, and next I'm gonna turn the power button on. I heard the startup Mac audio clip, and there the LED light turns on. And I'm greeted with hello. Next I'll be going and setting the Mac Studio up, and after that I will show you guys the configuration of this Mac Studio. Alright, so here I am in the system overview. The OS is macOS Monterey, Apple M1 Max CPU with 32 gigs of RAM, and it's connected to a 4K display. It's got 2 TBs of storage. Alright, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.